Today we're going to check out a movie, short film from 1902. It's a title that you've heard many times and you've read the book. It's called Jack and the Beanstalk. Now, this initially was done in black and white, obviously, and I've taken the time to recolor it. And it's an interesting movie. It was part of an early motion picture and sound recording by the Edison companies, that Edison, and it was done back in 1902. Now, the interesting thing back then, when they made films, they figured out the quality or the length of the film by the number of feet that it used up. And this particular movie, which is a fairy tale, used up 625 feet of film, which apparently it was around 11 minutes worth back in the day. So, you know the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. So we're gonna watch this together, and we'll see what happens. I see a fairy princess coming out here with this huge wand, and I don't know what she's trying to do. Maybe start a fire. Oh, she's actually growing a beanstalk. It's like, ooh, the beanstalk. Here comes the beanstalk. You can tell the quality of this film wasn't the best when it first came out, but it was what it was in 1902. And that's their idea of some special effects right there. Put some stuff on some string and dance it around like a puppet. But they really must have gone all out on the visuals for this. Now, here we have the beanstalk. And you can check out the beanstalk, and it's kind of an unusual beanstalk. It's like, whoa, look at the beanstalk. Oh my God. It just so happens to be like a ladder with some fake vines attached to it. But of course the audience is supposed to think that, ooh, wow, beanstalk. It's a really strong vine. Can you imagine? Get down from there. Jack, get down from there. Now, wait a minute, I'm just climbing this fake ladder beanstalk. I'll be right back.